morning all. I am the program director for today. When you are drunk or high on any drug, it has detrimental effects on your mind and body. You have no control over what you do, say, or think at times. It is for the same reason that people get addicted to drugs, because it makes them feel numb to what they are going through. They use the drugs as form of escape, and they end up not dealing with the real issues. Having strength and a dream gives us a purpose and builds our self-esteem. We feel good because we are working towards being where we want to be and can. Learn respect. Respect is about appreciating and supporting someone else's opinions, beliefs, and decisions. Learn trust. Trust is about having confidence in someone's words and actions. Learn communication. Open communication is about talking and sharing with another person without fear of being judged or laughed at. Learn honesty. Honesty is about telling people what you really think and feel, even if it isn't always easy. Learn responsibility. Responsibility is about living up to your commitments to other people, even if they are not always the most fun or exciting. Thank you. Okay, first up we have Caitlin Harris from grade 6 with a pledge.
Good morning to all. Today I am going to lead you through the SMART pledge. I would like you to please raise your right hand and repeat after me, and let us be sincere about what we are going to say. SMART pledge. As a smart learner, I pledge to lead the way. I promise to stay in school and learn the things I need to know. I promise to make the world a better place for kids to grow. I promise to keep my dreams alive and be all that I can be. I promise to help others and to live my life drug-free.
Thank you, Caitlin. Next, we will have a speech by Raisa Islam. Mental health and substance abuse. Good morning to all. I, Raisa Ismail, will be giving you a speech on mental health and substance abuse. As you know, substance abuse means that people are over-consuming substances and drugs. So now you know about what substance abuse means, but you may be thinking, what about mental health? This means that the patient has an issue or problem with their mind and inner conscious. When a patient has dual diagnosis, it means that that patient has either trauma, anxiety, or any other mental hazard due to over-consuming alcohol or drugs. You know, that patient that takes marijuana to numb their pain, who lacks energy, so he or she takes heroin, cocaine, or crystal meth to boost their drive, who takes Max or Valium to calm or stop an attack, because, well, they suffer from panic attacks. Or that patient who takes alcohol just to calm down or relax. Well, these are some examples of why they take drugs. It isn't easy trying to stop substance abuse and alcoholism, especially if you have a mental health issue. The real truth is that it's even harder if you do have one. It creates a whole new batch of problems, and if you take drugs, it's even bigger. Fortunately, thanks to many associations who help people with alcoholism, substance intakes, and mental health issues, there are now treatments to which they can be helped with. Thank you.
Thank you, Raisa. Now we have Kiara Pillay to do a poem.
Good morning to my principal, teachers, and fellow learners. Today I am going to do a poem on substance abuse. How are the shrooms, the beer, the LSD? I'll show you something more worthwhile than weed. I can show you how to steal and lie. Trust me, it's all you need to get by. Why go to school? Don't turn another page. I'm so much easier. I come in a 30-inch scotch. Heroin's my name. I've been known to destroy lives, taking out actors, teenagers, fathers, and wives. People will leave you. That's just fine. Follow me. You'll be all mine. Try to get rid of me? What a joke. Pretty soon, you'll have a needle looking for a vein to poke. Need some love? That's going to be hard to find. But don't worry, because I'll always be back in your life. Okay. Thank you, Clara. Now we have a speech by Kizeshin and Sashim.
Drug and alcohol abuse. Drug and alcohol dependence are big problems for everyone involved. Families can be wrecked, careers can be destroyed. Some addicts even die from the effects of addiction. Many try again and again to quit, but addiction is very hard to overcome. Alcohol abuse. Alcohol is the most frequently used substance in the world. Nearly 90% of adults have some experience with drinking alcohol. Alcohol is a depressant, which means that it reduces activity of the nervous system. Alcohol can impair judgment, mood, reaction time, physical coordination, and concentration. It can cause slurred speech and unsteady motion. Alcohol use sometimes may lead to inappropriate behavior or violence. Excessive use of alcohol may cause tearful, a state where the person doesn't react normally to his or her surroundings, or a state of deep unconsciousness. Moderate alcohol use can have a serious effect on the person's ability to function normally at home, work, or school. It may also lead to problems with the law. Long-term alcohol use can cause major medical problems such as